The Honda CB Unicorn 150 stands as one of the most reliable and popular commuter motorcycles in India, known for its blend of performance, efficiency, and comfort. Launched by Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India, HMSI, the Unicorn 150 quickly gained a loyal following due to its refined engine, durable build quality, and understated yet attractive design. If you're planning to make a YouTube video about the Honda CB Unicorn 150, focusing on its legacy, key features, and overall riding experience will resonate with a wide audience. The bike is powered by 149.2cc air-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine that produces around 12.73 bhp at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 12.80 Nm of torque at 5,500 revolutions per minute. One of the most appreciated aspects of this engine is its refinement. Unlike many bikes in its segment, the Unicorn 150's engine runs smooth even at high RPMs, making it a favorite for those who ride daily or commute long distances. The power delivery is linear and predictable, making it ideal for both new riders and seasoned motorcyclists. One of the core reasons the Unicorn 150 remains relevant is its exceptional riding comfort. The ergonomics of the bike are spot on for Indian road conditions. It features a well-cushioned seat, upright handlebar positioning, and mid-set footpegs, which result in a riding posture that reduces fatigue during long rides. The suspension system, comprising telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, is tuned to absorb most bumps and potholes without transferring discomfort to the rider or pillion. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the Unicorn 150. The bike offers a mileage of around 50–55 kmpl in real-world riding conditions, depending on traffic and riding habits. With a fuel tank capacity of 13 liters, the motorcycle offers a decent range, making it a practical option for daily commuters and those looking to save on fuel expenses. The build quality of the Honda CB Unicorn 150 is also worth highlighting. The bike feels solid and well constructed, with minimal panel gaps and a premium finish. It uses a diamond-type frame that contributes to its sturdy feel while maintaining decent maneuverability. The curb weight of around 146 kilograms ensures a stable ride without feeling overly heavy. Braking duties are handled by a 240mm disc at the front and a 130mm drum at the rear. Honda also offers a combi brake system, CBS, which enhances braking safety by distributing brake force between both wheels. Styling-wise, the Honda CB Unicorn 150 is simple and timeless. While it may not have flashy graphics or aggressive bodywork, its sleek fuel tank, chrome accents, and clean lines give it a professional and mature look. It is especially appealing to working professionals and those who prefer functionality over flamboyance. The analog instrument cluster, though basic, is easy to read and reliable, displaying speed, fuel level, and an odometer. When creating a YouTube video about the Unicorn 150, you might want to include visuals that show the bike from multiple angles to highlight the tank design, headlamp unit, tail section, and exhaust. Include riding footage to demonstrate how smooth and stable the bike is on the road. You can also capture close-up shots of the engine, suspension, tires, and brakes to show the attention to detail and engineering. Customer reviews and long-term ownership experiences can add credibility and depth to your video. Many users have praised the bike for its low maintenance costs, long engine life, and reliability. Including testimonials or even your own experience can help potential buyers connect better with the content. Despite newer models entering the market, the Honda CB Unicorn 150 continues to be a strong choice for those seeking a no-nonsense commuter bike with proven performance. It's an ideal motorcycle for office-goers, college students, and even older riders looking for comfort and ease of use. its resale value remains high, and the availability of spare parts and service centers further reinforces its practicality. In conclusion, the Honda CB Unicorn 150 has carved out a special place in the hearts of Indian riders. With its smooth engine, comfortable ergonomics, dependable build, and respectable mileage, it continues to be a top pick in the 150cc segment. Whether you're reviewing it for a bike channel or documenting your ownership journey, focusing on its performance, comfort, and long-term value will make for compelling and informative YouTube content.